In the motorcycle world, bigger is often seen as better. More power, more speed, and more displacement usually dominate the conversation. But for more than a decade, the Honda MSX125 Grom has proven that fun doesn't have to come in a large package. Since its debut in 2013, the compact mini bike has carved out a unique place in the market, combining playful handling, everyday practicality, and endless customization potential. Inspired by Honda's long tradition of small-wheel recreational motorcycles, including the iconic Monkey, the Grom quickly became a global success. In fact, Honda has sold more than 863,000 units worldwide, making it one of the most successful mini motorcycles ever produced. For 2026, Honda is giving the MSX125 Grom a fresh visual update. While the bike remains mechanically unchanged, it arrives with 3 new color options designed to keep the model looking modern and exciting. Riders can choose from Splendid Blue, Pearl Shining Black, and the eye-catching Gayety Red. The red version stands out the most, featuring an HRC-inspired tricolor scheme that takes inspiration from Honda's larger high-performance sport motorcycles. By refining a proven recipe and adding fresh new colors, Honda continues to remind riders why this little motorcycle has become a worldwide phenomenon.